If you're debating whether or not you want to sell right now, it might be because you've got some unanswered questions. Maybe you're wondering if it's even a good idea to move right now. Or you're stressed because you think you won't find a house you like. Hey everybody, I'm Jason Veenstra with the Veenstra Real Estate Team, brokered by eXp Realty. To put your mind at ease, here's how to tackle these two concerns head on. Yes, it is hard to make a move with mortgage rates where they are right now. But as a homeowner, you've got a secret weapon, and that's your home equity. Did you know that in our area, the average homeowner has built up significant equity with home values steadily increasing over the past few years? And did you know you can use your equity to put more money down on your next home so you don't have to borrow as much at today's rates? Or maybe you can even buy in all cash. And you don't need to be worried you won't find a home you like. In Greater Kalamazoo, there are about 20% more homes on the market right now than there were this time last year. That means more options. So don't let these two things hold you back. With the right partner, the right information, and the right strategies, we can still make it happen. So give me a call today at 269-350-5514 or email me at sold@veenstrateam.com.